If you are looking for a major to study in college, you might want to consider choosing food science. But first you might want to know, what is food science? Follow along for a definition and explanation in the following slides. You may be thinking that food science is the same as nutrition. Although both involve food, they are quite different. Nutrition studies how the food we eat affects our health. The food pyramid is often referenced to ensure that people eat enough proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and sugars. People go to nutritionists to improve their diet and learn about what foods are healthy for them. Food scientists study the chemistry and biology of food components. They might reference the periodic table. Food scientists use this knowledge to create and improve the food you see in stores. Nutritionists might even recommend a product that was developed by a food scientist. In 1845, something very important happened in Ireland. The potatoes were infected and caused many deaths from infection or hunger. This is one of the first major foodborne outbreaks in history. Since 1845, food scientists have developed methods for detecting infection in foods. Today, there are rules that have to be followed to ensure that the food we eat is safe. Food scientists develop and use these rules as a guide. Food safety is one branch of food science. Another branch of food science is product development. One example of a product that food scientists might develop is fruit juice. First, food scientists will develop a recipe for the juice. After harvesting the fruit, food scientists will run operations to mash, blend, and bottle the juice at a processing facility. Before the bottles of juice can be shipped off, food scientists will perform tests to ensure that it is safe to drink. Overall, food science encompasses a lot of different aspects. All of these aspects come together to create new food products that are safe to eat. If you are looking for a major that helps others and involves a variety of responsibilities, food science might be the right one for you. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and let me know if you have any questions.